Hey guys, so recently a company reached out to me who makes GPS and car alarm systems, and they were kind enough to send me down a car alarm system for me to install in my car. Now, this car alarm system has some pretty cool features such as GPS, remote startup and shutdown, passive keyless entry, start-stop button, the works. But the coolest feature of all to me is the fact that you can actually control your car with an app on your phone from anywhere in the world. So say somebody steals your car or something, you can literally shut down your car with an app on your phone and track it using GPS. I find that's pretty cool. So let's get on to the unboxing tutorial and installation, but before that, let me show you guys the system in action. Dude, you forgot to cue the intro. Okay, so here's the box it comes with. Inside we have PKE and high frequency antennas, 2 key fobs, GPS module, ultrasonic sensor, shock sensor, immobilizer bypass module, reset button, alarm status indicator, touch password keypad, ignition wiring harness, 22-pin main wiring harness, start-stop button, the brain of the system or the main unit, nano SIM adapter for GPS module, and of course an instruction manual.